Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Okay, it is that time of year. It is official. It is that time of year. You know what time of year that is? Let me tell you. My seed catalogs are starting to arrive. First one to arrive, once again this year, Baker Creek. Oh, there's some good things in here. Oh, very good things. I cannot wait. It's like when I was a kid and I'd get the JCPenney's catalog in the mail and we go through and circle all the things and that we wanted for Christmas. And it's sort of like this. This is all the things I want to grow, and I'm circling them. There is a bok choy. In here that I want to try. Oh, they have a corn. They have a Delaware shopping Delaware black flint corn. And my family is from the area where this originated from, in Pennsylvania. And so I'm really excited to grow this corn. I have a seed packet of it, but it's really old. So I think I'm going to order another seed packet. I've never seen it anywhere else before. What else is in here that I really, really wanted? I don't know. So many things. Flowers. Everything. I want all the things. Things being seeds here. Oh, there's an orange thyme. I have grown lemon thyme. I have like 5 kinds of thyme. I never grow enough lemon thyme. But they have an orange thyme. So I think I might plant the orange thyme. Oh, and I discovered this year that I love Swiss chard. And so I need some Swiss chard. And they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different varieties of Swiss chard. So I think I'm going to have to read up and do some Swiss chard this year. So I am very excited. I hope yours come in the mail. If it hasn't, order one. They do not give me anything. They do not sponsor me. This is all a video I've done all on my own. Nothing to do with them. But if they wanted to, I'd be willing to talk. Of course. Anyway, my catalog is here and I am going to go do some dreaming on this snowy, very snowy February day. Thanks, Rebel Canners. On the Superb website, save 10% with the code RebelCanners10. Like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.